jybe, how I did it, episode 5. Phase 4, exit, slice, rotate. See the links to other episodes in the description below. So the turn now is done, and we have to start to exit. Recall that the first phase was preparation, then second phase initialization. Not really turn, but the continuation of preparation, fixing errors and making sure that everything is placed correctly. Then finally, extremely fast turn or carve phase, and we already have to think about the exit. So I divided exit itself in 3 phases. So altogether, 2 phases before the turn, the third phase is a turn, and then 3 phases for the exit. A bit of unusual misbalance compared to the common wisdom, but it worked for me and it may work for you. So this clip is about exit first phase that I call slice or rotate. The common ideas about exit that I honestly hate because I was told with those 2 advices are: number 1, start opening the sail, and number 2 is even worse, keep the mast vertical. No, no, and no. The Tenerife Windsurfing connection guy, I think his name is Colin, his video and the link is in description, gave the best advice to me. He says, rotate the ring around the front of your mast base, around the nose. Nothing like opening a sail, but very, very helpful advice. I myself add to these 2 things I personally was focusing on. First, slice the mast through the air. Stay in the archer position and guide the mast forward from this inclined position forward towards the nose around the mast base. Second, do the projection sending your body forward into the abyss, especially if you have not done so in the previous phase. Also, you started before you reach downwind, like 10-15 degrees before. The board will cover this 10-15 degrees arc while you will be doing this phase. Also, keep your vision where you locked it, 45 degrees to the nose of the board. Remember, the board is tethered to the point where you're looking. By doing this, you increase your projection and you won't be looking into the sail. Also, see how it works. Instead of telling myself, do not do this or that, I'm ordering myself, do precisely this. A constructive way of thinking. Instead, do not look into the sail. I order, do look 45 degrees ahead all of the time. Like your mom was telling you, eat the soup, then go play. So the final point is, and maybe it belongs to the following phase, but as I said, one phase morphs fluently into the next, start loading your boom down and bending your back leg. But more on this in my next episode dedicated to the following exit phase.